Hello everyone, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a VR for Gina Loves to Craft. She is having a challenge giveaway and I'm really mostly wanting to do this to support her channel because she has supported my channel and she's just a great supporter of a lot of YouTubers, crafters, and so anyway, here is the Memory Decks card, and it is, I think, kind of cute. It's got a lot of layers. I've made just kind of a little embellishment there, rosette, and then I have adhered it to the Memory Decks card, and then just piled up a bunch of little bits and pieces. That little swan is from a ribbon, and the back has a place for the card, which I will put my information in there, and she basically will already have my information. But anyway, I wanted to make that, and that is one of the items for the challenge. And then this is the embellishment box, which is another thing that she requested for the challenge. And so I've made all that you see here. Basically, I did back up that scrapbook paper onto some board and sewed it all around, so I really like that. And I put some butterflies on that crown because I know she loves butterflies. And so I made also the little rosette, that's the yellow one, and I made the little rose in the middle out of felt, and some pretty prima roses, and that crown is actually from Hobby Lobby, and it was already decorated, but I thought it went well there, and put the little Love Ya stickers from a Maggie Holmes collection, and then that little bow I also made with crepe paper. Very sweet, so I think. And then you have the inside, and the inside has this pretty look, I believe, with this doily and this image of the peacock, and added some stickers, some alpha stickers, and then this, I didn't back it up, I just put it straight, scrapbook paper, and it does have a little bit of rippling because I didn't back it up. And so when you use hot glue, you're gonna have those little bumps on there, so I didn't love that, but I think it still looks okay. So then the inside, I'm gonna just briefly go over it because I think it might be a little bit difficult to kind of put it back, but probably Gina will go into it a little bit more. So here is a little cherry stamp, never been used, and I just hauled that from Hobby Lobby the other day. Included some. Alright guys, I'm back. I had a little interruption, a little phone call came in, and so this is a little embellishment that I made, a little rosette, with like a little kind of a arrow type thing, and little sticker. Actually, it's not a sticker, it's a cutout, but I put glossy accents over it and let it dry, so it kind of makes it look like a little epoxy sticker. It's just a cute little idea, and for those of you who haven't heard of it, that might be a quick tip. Then just put some beautiful beads that look like little pearls, and just different types of pinks, pale pinks, and just like really pretty golden pearl look, and these little clear ones. So I think that's pretty. And then also buttons, I went ahead and I had these tiny little stickers. These are little jelly beans. I think that's so precious. And yeah, so these are like these little tiny stickers, and I thought, I don't even know how in the world I'm gonna use these tiny little stickers. And then it occurred to me, I have so many buttons, and so whether they have little holes in the middle or not, I went ahead and removed the backs so that they are basically now a flat gem. that you can glue on to your project, kind of like what I did here. And so I think that'll be fun for Gina to play with. And so this is another one and another one right here. It's a little bit bigger button there, and put that little sticker and put the epoxy over it. I actually didn't get to put the epoxy on, not epoxy, I don't know why I call it epoxy, but anyway, the glossy accents. I didn't get to put that on this one, and I didn't want to mess it up, so I just left it that way, because if she doesn't have the glossy accents, she can always, you know, just do it anyway. And I also included some tiny little stickers, and so I think that's really fun. And so it's like a little sheet of it. Then I included this little embellishment as well that says "Life is Lovely," and it could be used to further embellish a tag, or to put, you know, over a junk journal or in a pocket, or just to add to any project really. Some confetti, really pretty different kind of little circles. It's got like a turquoise, blue, and then I put a little button there to decorate that little closure. And I love this little purse. I decorated it with stickers and backed this up with this pretty paper, and it could be like a little keychain, or she could, you know, do whatever she wants with it. And I wanted to give her this little pretty balloon deal, this little cake, or little cupcake topper with balloons. I think that's so sweet. And so hopefully I'll be able to put this back properly, because if I don't, what happens is the little balloons get kind of crushed a little bit when I close this, so I have to be careful. So then, yeah, I got a lot of like little tiny little pom-poms in here, and little cutouts of crowns, and these are like little butterfly cutouts that I put the glossy accents over so she can use as embellishments, and just all kinds of little cutouts, and a lot of butterflies. I know she likes butterflies. And then this is just like a little cluster embellishment that I made with doily, and a image cutout from a scrapbook paper, tulle, crepe paper, and all on this little circle punched circle. So just to give her an idea what she can make. Some pretty mint green flat back pearls, made her a felt rose, which I hope she really likes, with some beautiful gold leaves. There's like a glittered heart sticker that's foam. I went ahead and put this little thing on this pom-pom for her so she can use it however she likes. This one is not that way, it's just plain, and so she can also use it however she wants, if she wants to make one of those. These little intricate butterfly die cuts, which I included in the project here to decorate it. Some beads, some more little cute embellishments, and some really pretty, like a lovely variety of colored buttons, and bow, another felt bow, but this is a paper clip, and some more heart stickers, but these are gold foiled, and this is just some trim crepe paper that's been stitched. So that's a really cute thing to embellish anything really. I like it for toppers. It's kind of like this one, but it's in a smaller version and doesn't have tulle. And then some pom-poms of different colors. This is like a little shaker bag that I created with just like miscellaneous bits and some sewing and some buttons and sequins, and I just thought it was really pretty, and I sewed it all around. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back here. Thought that was really, really pretty. And of course you can add this to any project or leave it as it is, or even open it and use what's inside, but I think it looks cute the way it is. And yeah, so there's a lot of little things. There's a tiny little bow that's made of tulle and felt and a little button sewn onto it, so that's really precious. Some more sequins in there, more sequins in here. I made these again, the scrapbook paper. I put that glossy accents on the hearts so she can cut these out however she wants and use them to decorate. Also hopefully give her a good idea that she's probably thought about but maybe forgot. And then these are a little bit more plain so she can decorate herself. And so yeah, that's basically it. Some tassels that I made by hand. It's got some gold and it has like a little rhinestone circle at the top. And this one is another little tassel that I made from yarn, and it's just really pretty. It's got that mint blue color or mint green. And so yeah, that's basically it. I hope she really likes it. And if you like this video, be sure and hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and comment below. Also, I will link Gina's YouTube below in the description box if you'd like to go ahead and give her some love. Let her know I sent you there if you haven't already been there. And yeah guys, thank you so much for sharing this time with me. Love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.